Hey guys, Inkin sent me a machine called the Nowta II. This one's interesting because it's $120. Can you really get a good wireless tattoo machine for that price? Let's check it out right here on the Floaty channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's do it. All right, let's open up the Nowta II. Nowta II. Manuel. All right, the Manuel says it is got about 5 hours of working time on that battery. That's pretty good. Let's check the actual machine out. All right, the Nowta II. Let's check it out. Looks different than the first Nowta. Whoa. That's got quite a set of buttons there. Is this a button or is this just decor? Wow, oh wow. Silver, they sent me silver. I'm noticing this, this grip here for turning your needle depth. It's got a pretty good grip on it. Some grooves in there that you might have to clean well. Battery. Oh, there's the button. The nose. Okay. And then the eyes light up. Wow. Oh, wow. Well, it sure got a cool little button routine on the front here. Let's look at the battery. Battery here. Looks like it goes in 0.1 increments. It's at 10 volts right now. Coming down. Display is slightly recessed from the edge of the glass, but you can see it. It's a pretty good display. It's in blue. Let's see how the battery goes on here. Is it a magnet or is it a twist? Battery's a twist off. So nice, it's not all one component. This thing does separate out, so you could potentially buy another battery, but at this price you could buy a whole new machine as well. 120 bucks. Not bad. The weight is not bad, especially for the price there. I feel like the weight is pretty good. They have it listed at 184 grams. And the weight is, yes, at the tip of the machine, which I like a lot. That's a good feature. The dimensions feel good, not too wide. And I feel like as I hold it here, yeah, the battery doesn't feel too heavy. So let's try this thing out on some silicone. Should see what else is in the box. What else does it come with? Oh, they send us some needles. So in the kit, they sent us a 5-round liner and a 7 curved mag, so we can try those out for our demo. Of course, there's a cord as well to charge the battery. All right, there it is, the Nowta II, all ready with my grip. As you can see, the button is here on this little face that looks like a transformer. We're gonna hook up the 5-round liner and start her up. There it goes. We are currently hearing 8 volts. I'm gonna take it to 7.5. The buttons are very easy to press. Let's just try a little line here on the silicone at 7.5 volts. Remember, this machine is $120. It's very affordable. I feel like the weight is pretty good, not too heavy, not super light either. All right, let's see how we did there. Yeah, it felt like it was getting in well, and it looks like it is too. So at 3.5 millimeter stroke, we're still able to get really good lining on this machine at 7.5 volts. So that's pretty good. I'll just draw a picture. Let's see how it did. All right, so yeah, definitely getting in very well still. Doing this little picture, kind of moving at a little quicker pace, and still getting in the silicone really well. So that is impressive, especially for 120 bucks. That's a 5-round liner, 7.5 volts, moving at a comfortable pace. So I'd say I passed the test. Let's do some stipple shading. So it's 6.8 and then 6.5 volts. We're seeing the patterning of the machine now. Looks pretty smooth and consistent. Also pretty impressive. So still tighter together and looking good. So a little faster technique there, and still some nice stippling, playing with voltage here, seeing the effect of the machine. It's doing really well with that. So we can move on now. Let's take a look at the 7 curved mag. So we can move on now to the 7 curved mag. We're at 6.5 volts right now. So at 3.5 millimeter stroke, we should be able to get a nice smooth shade. So here is the 7 curved mag, just one pass. You can see nice patterning and nice light shading there. Looks pretty even as well. Going for more of a gradient here, and it looks like we'll be able to get that effect. No problem with the Nowta II. Let's try a little black. Okay, looks pretty dark, pretty even, no problem. I'm actually going to turn it down a little bit. I'm going to see how it does that at 6 volts. Still seems to be getting in there just fine. Let's turn it up now a little bit. We're going to go to closer to our lining voltage, 7.4 right now. Okay, lots of different types of line making here to test the Nowta II. Here we have the mag on its side. You can see I was able to really hold it steady all throughout this line. The vibration is very minimal on this machine, in the visually minimal in this machine here. I feel a little vibration in the machine, but honestly with the wrap, it doesn't really affect my lining. So it has good stability even though there's a tiny bit of vibration felt. I don't see it as much in the line. It actually holds really steady for honestly for the price. It holds really, really steady for the price. So let's try a little edging as well. Really nice straight edge with the side mag. So beautiful. The Nowta II is definitely passed this silicone test. All right, tattoo enthusiasts, that ends our test of the Nowta II on the silicone. As you can see, it did pass all of my tests and it's surprisingly stable and strong for 120 bucks. If you want to get yours, don't forget to follow the link in the description below. Thank you, Inkin, for sending us this, and my viewers, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.